Are you gonna start the game?
Oh yeah, well I'll start the game. Yeah, sorry.
What are we even on?
We're on was this the fifth one? Hard Rain. We gotta.
We should be in and out of here.
Gasoline now.
Get back to shore, signal Virgil with the flare gun and the gun bag. Then we should just...
Actually, I need to use the pan to get my achievement.
Oh, hell. Tell me someone brought the gun bag.
What gun bag? Why didn't you grab him? Me? Who died?
Dang, that's allowed.
Maybe at the gas station right across the street. We could have already been there and back by now.
Fuck
Come
you,
on.
Where's my gun at? I think I dropped my gun.
This shit'll
I
help.
gotta turn this sound down.
Man, me too. I think I need to do that.
First aid kit here.
Oh shit, there's a jockey? I didn't even realize.
I guess I'll take this here machine gun. Charger!
Bum, bum, bum. Jesus. I need that construction worker for my achievement.
For your achievement. You've just been like,
Yeah. I need them because it gives me an achievement for killing a bunch of different types of zombies.
Out of gas.
construction worker zombie.
Sugar mill?
Let's just get this
Yeah,
gun
man.
and
I
head
mean,
back.
that's the only one I need now. Fucking spitter. Shit. Yeah, I didn't.
Help nothing. Hey, I'm reloading. Reloading.
So boomer.
Boomers. Down, down, down.
Oh my god.
You fucking alerted the horde. What the hell's wrong with you?
I didn't mean
Yo, if you see a construction worker zombie, just let me kill it, alright? It's worth it. Holy, you're getting swarmed.
to.
Grass man.
That's what the horde is.
Yo, I got that achievement, boy. Yeah, you do that again, I'll knock you in the next week.
Reloading! Quiet, y'all. I hear a witch. Reloading!
God damn.
All right, people.
Sure thing, let's go.
I'm here.
Oh, the witch is over there. Shit. Fuck out of there. Let Nick or something get him.
Landmarks. It might be dark on our way back.
Yo, Nick, shoot the witch.
Nick, shoot the witch. Oh my. You started the
I
witch.
got
What is
this.
wrong with you?
I don't die. That's the thing that doesn't happen. Is it
She dead?
No.
Already? I guess we already killed her.
Oh,
Easy.
did you?
Reloading.
Reloading!
Oopsie.
What is that?
It's what?
Anyone need
There's a loud banging. We haven't even had to use one med kit yet.
Yeah, I know. We're just too good.
Maybe because I put the difficulty on easy, but
Oh
whatever.
my god, easy.
Nathan, next campaign we'll do
Oh my.
freaking. There's the boomer. I knew it was something.
Put it on easy, cheater.
All right, Mason. I chose easy because I felt like, you know, fuck you. I don't care. Screw you,
Easy mode.
Mason. I mean, come on. What are you doing? You're all alone, you know.
I am where y'all are.
I don't know what you're doing. You literally went backwards.
Reloading.
Hey.
How'd you even get up there? I don't
I
know.
went through the house.
The house? Ooh, M16 rifle. Hell yeah, I got the M16,
Oh,
baby.
hi.
I don't think we're supposed to go that way, Mason.
Give me that M16, I want it.
Holy, there's a charger. It's pummeling Rochelle.
That's not good, is it?
Weapons here.
Alright, I got it. Fucking a bunch of zombies. Rochelle. Oh, there's a big boy.
Oh no. It's an ogre. Don't care.
Got it.
Garage sale. Ooh, it's free, bro.
Grenade launcher.
Pipe bomb.
Amazing. Pipe bomb, bro.
Fire in the hole.
Fools.
Alright, I should use. Where's that pitchfork at? Nah, you know what? I don't even need this grenade launcher. I'd rather have the fucking M16. Mason, oh my... You're leaving us.
Yeah, no, here, Connor, why don't you come over here? Go through that door.
Why? What the? There's a boomer in there! What is wrong with you? I'm gonna get swarmed now.
No, it's fine. I'll protect you.
Better get these fucking achievements.
Reloading.
Pipe
Fire in the
bomb.
hole.
Man, y'all
welcome.
shooting me.
Yeah, stop. I mean, I could have handled that on my own, Mason, like completely. But
Yeah, but I saved you, so thank me.
what the fuck? There's something there.
Fine, I guess I'll get the safe room.
Get your asses inside the safe.
Connor, come on, tell me.
Sorry, I was texting my mom. I wanted my PB&J with some and stuff, you know.
Your PB&J?
I wanted to get a PB&J with an extra side of fucking what? A fucking what?
Lettuce.
Takis.
Oh.
No, what? Who puts lettuce on their PB&J?
What? You put Takis on your PB&J?
I have them with like as a chip,
As a chip?
not on them. I only put them on like my burgers or something.
Damn, man, quit shooting me.
I didn't do nothing. Oh no.
Don't even try me. Easy boomer kill. I should have gotten more ammo. I think I'm out of ammo. I'm almost at least.
Reloading.
Why am I going in here?
Just try and one tap them.
Reloading.
Yeah, you can do that since you put it in easy mode.
Fuck you, man.
Adrenaline shot here.
You know what? Next time we're gonna play expert next time and see how you like it.
You should play it the hardest mode possible.
If we can even do that, I'd be amazed that only us two can do it.
boy.
Now I saved you.
Reloading.
Hey, some guns here.
Some guns here.
Hey, you got some guns here.
There's a pipe bomb here.
Another one, Mason? Oh my!
It's dead, it's fine.
How are you killing them so fast? That's my question.
I'm shooting them because you put it in easy mode.
Mason, they're probably the same anyway. Doesn't even matter.
It doesn't even make
That-
sense. If you put it in the easy mode, it's gonna be easier.
Well, wishes are probably supposed to be the hardest part of the game, bro. Except tanks.
Here comes some puke.
Oh, that's nice.
They're coming, Mason.
Where are they now?
You didn't even get the AK-47.
What
Shut
the
up.
hell do they got to cry about?
We're in for
We're
a
the ones
nasty
getting
dance
attacked.
going.
We already got plagued.
Where the hell is that thing?
No. Oh, I'm stuck on a freaking wall.
Ah, look out! Another witch.
There's another one.
Yeah, over here.
Come on, wait.
Fucking jockey,
You're
bro.
welcome.
Thank you for saving me, Mason. I really needed that. Here. I'm gonna give you some pills.
I got this. Oh, frick.
Oh my god!
Oh, God.
You're
Kill
getting
him.
pummeled!
Why is everyone looking at me?
I'm putting some healing you, Mason,
Y'all are
just for
useless.
helping you.
Don't waste this by getting
Don't waste it.
I got a heal.
I got
Did I not give you the heal? Oh, I gave myself the heal. Oh, never mind.
You're an idiot. Oh, my God.
Oh shit. Thought I was giving you the heal.
Here, I'll take this with us.
Okay. What the Mason? What? No.
Oh, no, I wasn't doing it.
No, what are you doing, huh?
Nothing.
The fuck?
Up here.
What's that?
Oh dude, Rochelle's gone. Oh my god.
Wait, where'd she go?
She went outside because she got attacked by a charger.
Oh my god. I got you, Rochelle.
You gonna lay there all day?
I'm just
Dude, that's
playing
insane. It was so
Walk it
fucking
off.
funny.
Thanks.
You welcome.
Oh, Mason, is swearing allowed on your channel?
Sure.
Oh, there better be.
No, I'm not gonna make
You're gonna
it.
beep out what I say.
They made it to where, like, if you make it kid-friendly, which
You don't do that, Mason. Don't make it kid friendly, because then
I know, it, like, takes off the, comment section and stuff, which is kinda gay.
well, you could get sued if it isn't actually, you know, child friendly.
They're gonna sue me, Connor. They're gonna go
They
out of
could.
their-
That's
They're gonna go out of their
potential.
way to sue a 19 subscriber session. He said
I've-
the faggot word on the kid-friendly.
You said a bad word, bro. Jockey's got me, man.
Oh, what's going on over here? Oh no!
Moist, what did you do?
I might have fallen
Did you-
off.
Oh my.
KFC.
You're just thinking of-
Connor, shall we stick it?
I got smocked like a.
Let's go.
To the elevator, boys. Let's go. Come on. Oh, well, the charger's gone now. Like, stop laughing, dude. Your character's so weird looking.
Maybe the rain. Oh shit.
Your character like smiles. Oh, you good? You got your
Got my fix.
so easy. I wonder if this is on easy mode because how easy it is.
I wonder.
There's another one.
Weren't we trying to get gas? What's happened now?
We're still trying to get gas.
Oh, what just? Oh,
Dude, you don't look so good.
Dude, you don't look so good.
shut up. Is that
Nick
'cause I'm
has
black?
Nick literally has no. It's because you're on the. Mason, don't. I don't want this going out to my future employers.
Gotta keep it tight.
Connor doesn't like people with that come from a
No.
different
What he's saying is wrong.
different,
This better not be in that in your video, man, or I'm gonna get like.
You're the one that told me that I should probably.
We found the
just-
gas. Oh my God, we did it.
Get your asses in here right now.
Moving as fast.
Shit ass is in here right now. Please, Mason, let him in.
Close the door and let's get this gas.
All right, there we go. damn good
Look
team.
at that, Connor. You came in last, bro. You got beaten by
66?
Nick,
Oh
bro.
my god. How did I get 66? I got most
outplayed
damage
by
on Witch
Nick.
though. 2,000 more witch damage than you, man.
It's not even
Oh my
2,000,
god.
Connor. Do you know how to count? It's actually
Shut-
1,000, like,
Shut
200,
up,
I think.
Mason.
1,200.
Oh, who did more
Something.
damage to the tank? Who did more damage to the tank, Mason?
It
My
was-
math
it was,
is better.
Like, not by that much.
Shut up. Look at all these writings, bro. Aaron Murray. I don't know what the hell that
Alright.
means.
Everybody got a gas can? I do not want to make this trip twice.
I got one.
Do I have one?
People.
Back to the boat,
Okay,
people.
That's what I'm
We need to
talking
heal,
about.
boys.
Oh, what's up, Nick?
Where's the health kits? That's my question. Oh, I got a
They're
defibrillator.
all gone. Oh, there's lots of. What is this? I can't
What's what?
read. What does this say?
What does what say?
The cans looks like
Looks like about it
some
says
bootleg Coke.
mans. It says mans.
Mans.
Mans with mans.
I'm gonna touch you. Wait,
Get the
what?
fuck away from me. Oh my god. Mason, I'm getting glasses, like, when is it? In a week.
You got the fuel. Return to the boat.
Return to the boat, boys. You got the fuel. Why is it nighttime?
Reloading.
Hey, look, we are at a gas station. I told you.
Yeah, we need this. I guess it was that far away, you know?
Reloading.
The boat couldn't have, like, I don't know. Actually, never mind.
How would the boat taken us here, Mason?
Shut up! I'm going to hurt you. I meant not do that.
Ah! You better not be so many goddamn witches.
Fucking Nick keeps shooting me.
Hey, I'm reloading.
All the AI keep shooting you.
Critters around.
You're the one who's leashed. Like, stop shooting me, Nick. God damn.
What is that?
He's a spitter up there.
See that? Moist chips killed the
We
spitter.
can take the elevator back up.
I guess you did.
Alright, bye, Connor.
Fuck you.
Nice job.
So easy. Oh, now it was a smoker. I can't see a single thing.
Didn't we, like, just kill all the zombies here, like, 5 seconds ago? Why are they
It's
all
nighttime now for some reason.
Reload.
How many zombies lived in this area? That's my question.
back? We stayed in the gas station for a full day.
Hours. Years.
Reload.
Nice, so they all just, like, I don't know, came back in that period of time.
Oh shit, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is gonna be
Oh,
bad.
this is
Remember-
fun.
This is like the last time.
I
Is
don't
that a
get-
witch?
Oh, god. Oh my god.
Now you just wasted all of your health, man.
I also cannot hear
Take an
anything.
adrenaline shot.
Gotta reload.
I don't have one of those.
What the shit was that? I
Where
thought
are
you
we
knew
supposed to
everything.
go? I'm just hoping
Yeah,
that
we gotta keep
you're
going
taking
this
me
way.
the right way.
What is, look at Nicole and Nick. We gotta wait for them, dude. They're
Where's
so
Nicole
slow.
for it,
No, Rochelle, sorry. That was a that was an act.
Come on, man. It's not funny anymore.
Connor? I ain't doing
I'm gonna
that.
hit you with a baseball bat.
That's not cool.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. It's an ogre.
Oh my god. It's huge. Where is it?
Oh god, it's... Hi.
Got you pinned.
Reload.
Now keep moving.
Oh my god.
Keep moving this way.
It's so
Do you have any
dang
adrenaline?
loud.
Reloading.
Not anymore.
Oh, here. Whenever you get over here, it's better. Did we just come from here? God, I can't even tell where we are anymore.
Watch out.
Reloading.
Oh my god.
Where's that thing going with him? Heads up.
Why do you
Quiet,
keep saying
everybody.
Nicole?
I hear a
Oh
bitch.
my god.
Nicole. Oh wait, no, it's Rochelle. I
Oh,
think
that's
Rochelle and
not what they're-
Nicole.
Call.
Shoot her! Shoot her!
Oh
Wow, so easy. It's not like we're in easy mode.
Yeah, I wonder why that was so easy.
What did you just call me?
Nothing.
Why do you call me Chris, dude? I don't want to be associated with that. Degenerate.
Alright, where do we go now?
We're close.
We're super close, I bet.
Well, yeah, you just said that.
Mason, no. I remember this tricycle right here.
You
It
remember
was
it?
this way. I remember. What the hell was that?
Busted up truck.
There's a safe room right here.
I'll beat you to it.
We're getting
Nope.
close, man. That dock ain't much further.
My dog
Ain't
ain't
got no
much
time for
further.
this shit. Get in here.
Get in here, Nick.
That's right. You can't kill us.
Look at that, Connor.
That was so short. Why'd they even have that? It was like super short.
Why not?
Oh, dude, so much damage to that witch. Oh, wow. I can't believe I'm carrying the witch on my back.
Bro, I wonder why this level's called Hard Rain.
15 kills with the melee. Wow, you guys got 0. That's
Yeah, because
That
only
sucks.
losers use melee weapons.
that's right. No. Dude, I'm so good with this melee weapon.
Reloading.
Can I jump up here? I don't think I can.
We gotta signal the boat, Mason.
How do we do that exactly?
There's something. Second floor, or you gotta jump to get it?
See
or-
it. Alright, how do we do this?
Let's look around. Oh, here, I got it. I'll do it.
You're too late.
The sign's lit.
Fuck.
Come on.
Alright. Come on, Virgil. What the? Nick just shot me. I fell down.
Come on, baby.
I'm hearing lots of noises.
Fire in the.
I've fallen down.
Oh shit! Watch out!
Hi guys.
What is he doing, bruh? What is this man doing?
How do you kill a zombie by shooting?
I got.
him in the
I
leg?
cannot see a single thing.
Weapon.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Thank you, Rochelle. Yo, where's that boat going, dude? Yo, get away
Oh my god!
Nick's dead! Rochelle's dead! Nick is about to freaking die!
Oh my god.
Dude, when's this boat coming, man?
I just walked off the edge.
What is happening? Come on, this boat better freaking get here.
Come on, why can't Coach swim? It's because he's black? It's not
Mason,
fair.
Rochelle was also black. Oh my,
Well,
this is so
it
racist,
makes
guys.
sense now.
Oh my god.
I need a floaty with me at all times.
Bro, guys, this game is so racist. I can't believe it made Coach not be able to swim.
I know, right?
Why would you ever do that? I mean, Coach is my favorite character.
You should jump in the water, Connor, see if white people can swim.
No. If Nick does it, Nick would be fun if he does it, you know.
Nick is like your only hope.
Yeah, he really is my only hope. He's just basically my cannon fodder. I make sure, you know. Yeah, get off me, Nick. Come on, Nick, shoot him. How long is this boat gonna be here, man?
Probably not that long if it hasn't arrived yet.
Holy,
It's another Shrek.
another thing's coming here. Right there. There he is.
Oh,
No, Nick's gonna
Nick.
die. Just shoot it, Nick. What are you doing, man? Oh, I'm leaving.
Oh,
I'm dead.
Your health.
Nick, shoot himself. Noom, shoot him, Nick. What are you fucking doing, man? Oh, I'm dead. We're done.
Or Nick
Die
killed
on
him.
me, are ya?
Never mind,
I'm
Nick's.
okay. You owe me one.
Thank you so much, Nick. You're my savior.
Much obliged. That's what I'm
Much
here
obliged.
Hold up, gonna heal.
I guess we both had health kits. I guess.
All right, now I'm back.
Come on, man. Dude, this better be the last of it. Oh, I can see the boat. I hear the boat. That nigga, what the fuck? Get on the rescue boat, dude. Get on. No, no, no. Get on.
I'm just gonna put the boat.
There you go. Come on, Nick. We won without you guys. Oh my.
Connor, I don't know.
This is so nice. Wow. In memory of you two. Nick, you know, Nick usually dies. Now Nick and I win.
Nick and you win. Look, it's me.
Wow. This see.